little range, huh?
Yeah, it's just range.
What?
I'm watching stuff, watching YouTube videos. Oh, grab this. I'll be right back.
How many times? How many times does it come down here before it breaks? All right, there it goes. Finally breaking through this time. All right, switch this to a different. Oh, never mind. Well, I'm tempted to just add one down here on the ES. On that ES play I've had going on there. Yeah, I'm not going to do that. One down here. Keep in mind, since I guess I'm not going to get an MES trade, I can just put it on this screen, on this chart. Which one am I on? Yeah, I'm just going to put it on this chart. Then I'll do my stuff there. Turn that off. And then, so I just went ahead and added one. But then I want my other ad to come back to like here. Looking at a bigger scope of things. Well, now that we've broken down, we'll probably need to be at like here for an ad, and then back around here for an ad, and then back up here at this swing high for an ad. And then I'm gonna get a target. I'm gonna take a target down here. I should have just taken a target, to be honest with you, but now I can take it. I'll take it there. Something like that. At least that's my plan. You gotta be kidding me. Maybe a short setup on the smaller tick chart coming up here.
On NQ? Or yes?
NQ. That creepy ass ice cream truck.
I hear.
71. 71. My target on that, I shorted the breakout of the M and Q there. It got down to 70. It got down to 71. And my target, I literally just stepped away and came back, and I was like, "It didn't take my target. Come on."
Now it's back up.
One tick. That's all right. I'm flat now. It's okay. I mean, like, it took my first target, and my final target, I thought it was going to hit. Just didn't hit my final target. So it's not like I lost money on the trade. I made money on the trade, just not a lot. But I will look into shorting this rally, though. I got to take a pretty quick target on this ES so I can lighten back up. Do it like right here. This is looking like it, Paul. I think this is looking like the short, man.
Yeah. Gotta hold that. I think he's got to hold that pivot here. If not,
put like a sell stop. And down there. Oh, that is not. I mean, it's starting to set up. Nice little structure on the smaller tick chart. Yeah, never mind. A little bit higher, maybe. I don't know. Oh, nope. It's pushing up.
We're back inside this range again. It doesn't.
Yep.
Now we have to just think it's going to go back up to the top again. So we'll see.
Top of the range or back up to our highs today?
No, back up to where no, just this range.
I was going to say,
no, this is.
I'd love for it to go back up to the top of the range.
No, good luck with that. Well, I mean, anything could happen, but I doubt it.
Back up to the top of the range and back down will make me money.
Yeah. No, that's you. You should get it. You should get. You're in two on ES.
3.
How may I get in here? I'm debating. Must be
Keep in
getting
mind though, I've
high.
taken on this one so far. I've taken like 3 targets.
That's why I'm letting it go a little higher before I get in.
I've taken 3 targets on
I
that
don't
one
have to
so
get
far.
it. I
So
don't have to get as deep as you.
I'm not in bad shape on it. That fill price is way off. You know how Ninja screws that up. It's my
Yeah.
I originally started back up here around the pivot. Where was it at? We came back at what? 11:30, 11. What time did we come back?
11, 12 o'clock, right? When it's 12?
Huh?
Or was it 11:30? We came back at 11:30.
11:30, I thought. Yeah.
Yeah, and then we left 12:10 to 12:30.
So I started back here, all the way back here actually. So I've had 1, 2, 3 targets already. Yeah, 3 targets. So I've gotten targets off 3 times, added 3 times already on this one. So this one's in good shape. This is one of those times where I wish I'd been doing it with more accounts, stacking them up.
I still have a couple more I need.
Well,
Need.
the only reason I'm in 3 on this is because as soon as it broke down, I was looking back at the chart and I was like, well, okay, so where's the like if it I was looking at this as the level and I was like, as soon as it breaks down past this, it should go down to here, and if it comes back up, it gives me a chance to add back right here. Well, it did do that, but then it went past that, so that was the thought process there. And it still looks like it's trying to set up for another short here. Ooh, maybe that's the one on the MNQ.
Yeah, break of this pivot probably is.
Yep. Target off. That was just too juicy.
I took it too.
Too juicy on that one, bro.
I hit the old sell button.
See if I can get my target this time.
I got my target. I just don't think I'm
No,
gonna
my
get
final
more.
target, sorry.
Oh yeah.
Target off. Another winning trade. Look at that. Yes, come down and get my other target too. Do it. Come on. You can do it. I know you can. Come on, go and get it. I'll take it tighter. I don't care. Light me up on that ES a little bit.
Two. I need to switch accounts. I've got 2 more. I still got 30. Would need to trade them, but I would like to.
I am pretty good. All right, keep going down. Go get my target. Go get my target. Go get my target. All right, which account do I want to trade next? That one. Working on about $1,000 a day here, bro.
There, I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.5, and 92 is 8, 7 quarter, 50, 900.
It doesn't hurt me that I got $300 on that one ES trade.
Yeah, so I'm 900 on micros. I haven't touched them in.
Nice. Well, you've made some plays that I didn't make though, and you've been
Yeah,
using the
yeah, a couple
MQ.
of those runners too with
Yeah, you've
bigger
been using the
contracts.
M and Q, and I've been using the ES, so you got a little bit more juice on some of those trades.
Yeah,
It's just so safe with the ES. Go down, get my target.
there it goes.
There we go.
You're gonna get it.
It's a
So you break
beautiful
this
thing.
level again, and
I'm gonna put my stop at break even on that one, and then Bo, Jockcap, you guys getting any of this? Getting any of it?
they're quiet. Jim's quiet. Jim hasn't said anything in the room here in forever.
He don't
You
talk
even
no
around,
more.
Jim? Jim, don't talk to us anymore.
He don't talk anymore. I just started talking again. Maybe I can get down here and get this other target, and then I'll wind this thing back up again.
With being that you're in that low, I would probably, yeah, I would take that target and then let it come back up, or put a stop in somewhere. Like, don't
Oh
let it go
no,
against
I
you.
don't know. I'm gonna let this thing come back up again and give me a. Well, I mean, I can take a target here.
But I
Like I
mean, you
can.
can take it and just get back in, right?
Yeah, there you go. I
Yeah.
took a target. Yeah, that's fine. You know,
But
whatever.
that's not even your real entry though, so who knows where it's at? It's probably higher, right?
Well, that's what I'm saying. It's like I'm I'm
Yeah,
on
you're fine. You're
I'm
in a
on
no
like
no.
$130 locked in profit on this one.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You're in a no lose
No,
situation
there's no
there.
way I can lose on this. No way. I mean, to the point that I'm willing to add again here.
That's exactly what I would do. Let it come back up. Throw another one in there.
Like it,
Still no
it'd have to really be something crazy, and then I'll put another one back up here. It's not. I mean, I'll do another one up there again, but
I would even consider anything bouncing until maybe the last hour of the day.
on the
At this point,
upside,
maybe
I mean, if this breaks down again here, we got a down most of the
again,
day.
maybe I'm not. That's what I'm saying. I wouldn't even be concerned about it retracing back
Uh,
up at this point. Maybe
I'm
sell off
ten,
towards
I'm,
the end.
or yeah, to rally up just to unload some contracts.
Yeah.
Worked out well. Worked out well. We might actually string together some days like this. I'm not hurt, and you're not out doing stuff, and I don't have to go do crap. We might actually make some money doing this.
You might could actually make $1.
I kind of want to go flat on this M&Q trade. Thinking
Oh
that
yeah, no, for sure. I mean,
or
it's
just
not
squeeze
coming
my
down with any
stop all
real
the way down
force,
now.
or it's just yeah, or tighten it way up. Yeah, exactly.
Tighten her up. There we go. Flat ski. All right. Let's see here. One I want on that account. This one I want on this account. And tempting to just put a stop in on this other one too with the MES I got going on here. And
Don't be dumb now.
never mind. Oh, dumpy. Yeah, like I said, if it breaks through this time, it's tempting to just get in this thing short. Like, right, next rally. Guess who's going to be getting a short? I'm going to do at least one M&Q short. It's tempting to put my. Let me see where I can get filled at again since we came down here. Maybe a little bit lower on this. Try it like right there, maybe. That's where I filled it before. And we should end up getting down to what I say earlier, 17, or sorry, now, and then 10. And then after 10, we're back down to 88 on the ES. That seems realistic. Something like that. Should be still going down. Shouldn't be anything holding up the ES there. As far as that goes. And Q should be looking for a sell signal here in a minute too. All right, give me a few minutes. I'll be back.
Okay.
Well, actually, I thought I was going to be stepping away for a second. It's not gonna, the second time it came to one tick of my adding a contract.
I think you're gonna, as I said, I think you're gonna get it.
Yeah. Get me another one down here. Do. Things and stuff. Okay, I'll be back in a few now.
All right.
Well, that worked out well. Tried to do that again. Where do I want to bring this other order down to? I'm going to start doing this on another account now. All right, get add back there. If it comes back to there, then should be going down still. What did I say? Down to where? Down to, well, we hit 10 already. So I said 10, then
Things
a break of 10 should take us down to,
all the way down to at least that's one, right?
yeah, I'm thinking more like 80. Yeah, more like down here around 88, like I said. But it's, yeah, at least that's one. At least should be. All right. I'm tempted to try to get one on in another account now that's looking like this. Yeah, I'm gonna try to get one on. Maybe if it rallies up just a little bit.
Yeah.
All right, here we go. Put me another target back down here. And then possibly yeah, there we go. Target off again.
Boom.
Target
Nailed that
off
one.
again.
Nice.
Wow.
Good day. Good day, Billy.
All right, now is when I put a stop in on this. I can always get back in. All right, even that one I took a loss on earlier, everything's green now.
Good.
All right. Let's see. It's 13 soon. Um. Let's see here. I don't know, man. I'm considering not even putting a stop in on this one and doing it again.
Let it go one more time. Pretty in profit. Good trade. Oh, oh, hello.
Yeah. Yep. No, that idea of like I said, 88 on the ES, and then at least S1 on NQ here. Yeah, let's see here. Kind of think I'm just gonna try to get one on another account, and then add in if it goes up.
ES?
Yeah, I don't play that game with the M and Q anymore. I wait for the rallies on the M and Q. Can't play that game. I mean, I don't mind getting in a low on the ES because fine, let it rally up. I'll add another contract. M and Q, you're down $100 on a rally
Yeah, yeah.
with one contract.
That makes sense.
ES is just easy, you know. It's just like put one on, add later, put another one later, put another one. I mean, get up to 6 or 7 ES, and that's still not as destructive as 2 M and Qs. Probably about the same. Six MESs would probably be as same destruction as 2 M and Qs. Let's see what's some. Yeah, yeah. Just gonna do it. Assuming that we're gonna get down to 88, and then I gotta be honest with you, I'm probably just gonna try to add one back here again on the ES here. Like right there. Maybe a teeny bit higher. Teeny bit higher, couple ticks higher.
We're about to get it.
A little bit of a rally here on the M and Q. You gonna put one on now on the M and Q or no?
I'm. It's so low down here, but I mean, it looks like a free. I mean, a break of this. We got plenty of room to run. We can come all the way down to. Man. Six 564. It's a whole 100 points from here, and well, 80 points from here. Yeah, I think I'll do it. Let's see what it does right here. If it comes up a little bit more weight, if it breaks down on this, yeah, it's going. Never mind.
Totally gone.
I don't want to get too deep in contracts, but see what happens. plenty to burn on this account anyways. Yeah, there it goes.
There it goes.
There it goes. Boom. Taking candy from a newbie. Boom.
Now do we get 88? Now do we get?
Does it break?
It one ticked me again on my freaking order. Literally, exactly. That high was 850, 875. Man, I should have left that down there. All right, so we should get. We should be getting. What did I say? 88 soon. What's a better? Let's see. Let's slide this over and look for targets. Well, there's that 10 was what I was looking at from yesterday.
Oh yeah.
But there's a target here.
Nice. Where do I want to put my stop here on this NQ?
Hold on.
27. Be
Hold on,
quiet.
I'm trying to manage my trades, bro. I mean, you got. Yeah.
I think I'm going to lock in.
27, I guess. Yeah.
I'll lock in $50 just in case this thing reverses back up. I can get back in. If it breaks, so I either make
wait, what was
50
the
plus
target?
the first target, so $60.
The target was
Not bad.
2.
Oh, shut up, Tick Squeak. Jeez.
And then S1. I mean, sorry. Yeah. Wait. It's weird. Now you have a clear stop. You can move your stop down to 19. 619. I try to add back here. It's the only thing I can do with that one. But I'm running a pretty decent little trade here. Decent little one there. Are you flat or still in that? Are you still in it?
I'm flat and happy.
Fat and happy, huh?
I'm flat and happy. And fat and happy, but flat and happy.
should have done that again. Should have gotten that M and Q rally. That account. Okay. And then that on. There we go. Let's see here. 1323. What a good day, man.
Oh yeah, big time.
What a good day.
Very stressless trading.
Yeah, pretty stressless. I think I'm gonna try to get one on around my fill price here. Yeah, let's see. Or 10 is the level I had, so we'll not use 10 again. Keep the stop back now that I'm just printing money with this. This is let's see, was it one? That was the one I took the 6 micro loss on earlier as this account, and I'm back to I'm in $100 profit right now. So that's you remember the one loser we took this morning that I took?
What's that? Say that again?
That one loser I took, I did it with 6 micros earlier this morning.
Yeah, that was the one, not your first trade? Like your first, I think it was right when we came on, remember? You jumped into that one that didn't pan out. The ES, right?
Yeah. But this is the account. So that was like $180. And then I'm up 100 and something now on that, or a little bit less than 100 because it just pushed up. So that's a $300 on that account this afternoon just by doing this with the MES. Just by doing this right here. That's it.
Telling you. Something to it.
Well, you know, I like doing it like that. You know what really got me with this is that like it keeps me busy, it keeps me from doing dumb stuff. It keeps me actively managing a trade. Things I need to do so I don't go haywire and do something dumb. It makes me stay active on my bias, the premise of what I'm doing.
Yeah.
And it helps me keep my eyes on levels for other accounts to get like traditional trade setups in. Long on the MCL possibly? Tempting to go ahead and
Hasn't
add
set
this one
up, but
here.
yeah. Ooh. Like it better down at
It's
90,
tempting to go ahead
but
and add this. I'm gonna add it and then I'm gonna take another target here. Yeah, that was a short. Dang it. Oh, man. Why didn't I press a button on that one? Silly, Brian. Silly.
on what where? NQ?
Yeah, I wanted to take this. I wanted to take this trade here, this little structure. I was planning on doing that, and
I still think you have the short right now, to be honest with you.
I just wanted to get it inside that beautiful. This was just a great setup. 5 or 6, 7 candles in a row, wicks on top, break a structure. I mean, that's like as close to an A+ setup as I can get on a smaller tick chart.
There we go. Target's off.
Target
I
off
took it.
again.
I told you still had it. You weren't. I mean, you were a tad later than what you said, but you still had a valid entry.
Yeah.
Come on, break. Break, baby.
Fixing the break. Got one more.
Gotta stop doing this. Leave some money for other people, man.
I don't know the way this is going, man. I do this all freaking day long. This is what I planned to do with you last week, but I was hurt the whole damn week.
Yeah.
I'm still hurting. Like sitting in this chair is hurts.
Well,
It hurts a little less when you're making money, though. Back down to 2 contracts. I don't know if this should be the bottom. Maybe I do bring the stop down now just in case. Think about this. I don't know if this should be the bottom. I don't think it should be the bottom. I had 88, but I mean, it really shouldn't be anything keeping it up here.
I think we might be bouncing just a little bit here, especially on the NQ.
Yeah, I'm gonna go flat on it. Start the whole thing over again.
Mm-hmm.
I could also think about
Oh, you already answered it.
I know the answer to that question. I don't have to ask you that.
Yeah.
That I can Tom speak on.
Mm-hmm.
Do I keep the stop or do I add? What do you think? Because this would be where I'd want to add.
Oh.
But then it's going to go back up.
What time is it? It's 1:30.
1:30, 13.
I don't know about it. Yeah, I guess you could add, right? I mean, the problem is it's gonna go back up.
I mean,
how deep are you wanting to get in that? You're 2 now, right?
At the end of the day, I'm pretty deep in profits on this, so.
Okay. I mean, would you be willing to add another one if it goes up higher, or you just hold it?
Yeah, no. I mean, I'd get up.
Oh, well, then go for it. Then go for it.
I think I'd add.
I mean, you don't have to do that.
It's not bad.
Don't do it because of me. Stay add in if you want.
Yeah, I'll take another baby target.
I wonder if this is any good. There's a company out there that does like a prop firm, but you can trade stocks. It's structured like a prop firm, right? You have to make a certain amount of money and then they take you live, but it's stocks.
Huh.
Interesting. I'm just
Can you short
playing
them?
around. I'm playing around on the internet.
Can you short them?
Yeah, you can do whatever you want. You can treat them like a futures contract. You can trade them. You can buy them, short them, sell them.
I'd be pretty good at that.
Yeah, they're not bad. It's like it's not that expensive. $10,000 costs you $40, $39. 50,000 costs you $98.
Huh.
I wonder if that's cool. And you get payouts too, just like a prop fund. You knew somebody was going to come up with something like that. It'd be cool if like they could add like the spy and cues. That would be cool to be able to
Yeah.
trade those.
Why wouldn't? Well, why aren't the ETFs are probably in there, right?
I don't think we can trade them.
Not in that account.
Oh, in that you can. I'm talking about in this. I'm
Oh
talking about
God.
in what we're doing. I don't think we can trade them. Oof, going heavy.
Just put me at 5 contracts.
Yeah, that's normal entry for.
MES. What is it? If somebody just all of a
Give me a
sudden said
couple
everything's
minutes.
perfectly fine. It's going all the way back up. No, nobody did that. It should actually be a couple ticks lower in this.
I'll take a bathroom break. I'll be right back.
Taking a bath in the middle of the day. Actually, I probably need to as well. Do 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 do. This is a cell signal setting up here. There's a cell signal setting up there. Boo. Oh, just missed it. Dang. Ah, why did I not jump in that? Okay, well, in that case, I'm going to run to the restroom too.
Yeah, we're going up now.
All right, I guess I need to rethink this little thing here, huh?
Yeah.
Probably close that out. Save me some money here. Yeah, I'm gonna have to flush this thing out. Yep, we're gonna go ahead and get this on out of here. Yeah.
Where's this
Yeah.
thing going?
I don't know,
Where's
but I
she
don't like it when it does that.
Uh-uh.
That took me all the way back to break even. It's fine though.
Wow.
Yeah, this is not something I'm gonna trade. Yeah, almost think about buying this on the.
I just right above this, literally right here, above this support.
Yeah, totally thinking about buying this
Mm-hmm.
after that.
It doesn't fail here. Could be a little run up.
This is where I start thinking, don't do anything, Brian. You might do something stupid.
Right.
Although, if it breaks its structure on one side or the other, it's a buy or sell signal. You could probably squeeze play this puppy on both the NQ, MNQ, and ES. Let's see. I mean, you could totally just put a buy order above and a sell order below here.
I like the buy order above for sure.
I'm very seriously contemplating that right now.
Yeah.
I mean, it's at a level. Both NQ and ES are at levels that
Right.
I like.
Right.
So,
I agree.
and it, I mean, it could go.
There it goes.
It could go. Yep, there you go. Never mind.
There it goes. See if this thing can.
Well, now it should continue up to at least 753 on the NQ here. And then on the ES, what is it? They're just toying around here. They're gonna pop up and they're gonna short it back down again. That was a stop run. That was a freaking stop run on the.
Yeah, that's what it looks like,
That was
right?
a stop run. That was a stop run there. This needs to be flipped around in our thought process. We gotta still be short, man. That was just a freaking stop run. That's all it was. Never
Boom.
mind.
Look at that.
Maybe it was.
Just got my target.
Holy
Just
crap!
got my target.
Got both
Just got my
targets
target.
fast.
Just got
That
my
was
target.
way
I
too
had a targeted
fast.
VWAP. I don't know, man. You were saying to stop him, but I was thinking nothing. It still didn't break down below that level,
No,
so
if
it
it
was
was
just a
broken
little
down below that
pullback.
level, it would have been a stop run. But
Yeah.
I'm still not 100% sold on it. And the fact that it took my target and came back, took my stop in 2 seconds flat.
Yeah, I'm killing this thing. All right, I gotta slow down here.
MGC possible short. CL possible long.
MGC possible short. Uh,
6E possible short. Ooh, I like that one. Look at that.
oh, it's 6E. I haven't heard of that name in a while.
I
Yeah,
haven't
that
seen
looks good.
much. I mean,
I
look
like
at
that
this,
one.
man. We haven't had a lot to. Like, I can't
I
trade
like that
6E
one
at the chop
better
we've
than
had
the
the
other
past couple
two.
weeks. We've only had like.
I mean, well, there's been no need to trade anything else. I mean, it's like, what do we? We're just printing money on the NQ and ES.
It's true. Yeah, maybe
Like
we
I like
talked
having
about
the other ones there for when it's not working, but
maybe we
when
talk
it's
about
working,
having a
oof.
instead of 6E being in one of the main charts, have like another NQ and ES chart.
Yeah.
Okay, so we got broke down a little bit now. Do you buy here? This is I'm in the same spot I was earlier, but when it was higher,
Overbought.
I'm just like, no, it's here. We were in this little range here earlier.
No, it's right in that range right there. Yeah.
So, but at the bottom of the range, I feel like we're in coin flip. At the top of the range, I feel like I'm in coin flip as well.
We're back inside that damn range, and it held it too at the top.
I was looking at what gave me the thought processes I had this morning. I mean, my idea of the short today was pretty good.
91, we get a setup. Possible long.
Oh man, I mean, if this comes back below this structure here, I don't know if I can buy
We're
it.
right back in the range again. So,
Well,
and it held the top of that range on that spike up. So.
it did. That's why I'm worried about the longs.
Uh-huh.
I bet I'd be happier probably scaling back into the shorts here, to be honest with you. Let me
Ooh, it's got to break that range. It's got to break out of this range to be.
Well, all right. So look at what I'm looking at on this chart here. Again, same thing, except for earlier I started where I called it the midpoint between the 3-day range, right? Like somewhere around this level. That's where I started earlier. So we're in that level down, and it just broke below that little low there, didn't it?
So it's just basically a pullback, little
I
bounce.
think it was just a stop run there, buddy.
Okay. Well, then we
It
got to
sure
go
does
short.
look like it, doesn't it?
When we put one short here, break below pivot,
yeah,
so we put one short here.
Yeah, it just
Damn,
went below
I
that
just
low.
like it to break that level. But okay, I'll do it. I mean,
I'll just limp into it with one.
okay.
Battle back again. Start battling.
Let me do one ES, right? Yeah, right. Yeah.
Yeah. Don't do it.
I want it to break down below there.
I want it to go higher. I want it to go to this level up here that I was trading from.
Now I got to do it. Now I got to do it. All right, I'm in.
I mean, here's the way I look at it now: is we can add all the way up to here. I mean that I got so far down. I mean, you got to realize that when I got this far down, that was adding and target, adding and target, adding and target, adding and target, all the way down.
We'll see what happens. See what happens.
And then, or just let it rally and then put one on. I mean, there is going to be a long signal that comes out of this. Do I think this is going to be a long? No. I mean, here's the thing. It ran like that really fast, stalled out. If it was a event that said, everything's all good and fine, this thing would still be running up. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I agree with that.
So I can't help but think that was nothing more than a stop run.
Nice solid close below here would make me feel really comfortable though.
And I'd be really feel really comfortable if we came back up
If it popped back up.
to 37.
All right.
But I mean, all my accounts up, except for the one that I'm close to break even on, I'm playing with house money now. I mean, there's 240, 190, 201, 164. I got one that's at $84, and then one at 350, and then one that's close to break even. So I'll just use the account that I have the big money on. The big money. We'll see. We shall see. I mean, again, there's no reason it should just stall right here, other than it is a level, and somebody's obviously, moving some contracts around.
Yeah.
Oh, waited a little too long to take my pills. Starting to get a little.
You're starting to hurt.
Yeah, starting to get achy. Ugh. Hey, look, it's just us. Everybody's gone.
Oh, look at that. Is Jim even here? Or has Jim just permanently left it on?
I don't know. We can always move him out of the room and see if he comes back in. I mean, this is certain set up to be a long setup, but if you want to flip that thought process around and get it long, you can do it, but
What, just take the loss?
it's a small loss.
Yeah, that's true.
Maybe let it
$20.
Rally up.
Or should I let it rally up and add a contract in?
I'd like to do it higher, but I'm fine putting one on here. Like I said, I just really can't help but to think that was a stop run. Although it could be going back up. I think we're safe on the shorts as long as you layer in. I mean, here's the way you look at it too: is you got room below here to grab. I mean, anything up to, like I said earlier, 37 should give you plenty of room to get some targets off down here. And then even up to, like I said, where we came from earlier, that's a lot. That's a big spread there.
Let's see. I'm not really stressed out. I add another one there and
be stressed out. Add one at I mean, like talk about adding one at like the pivot, and then you can add one, or even just wait till 37 to add one, and then have another add up here at 54.
or I could add
that, but
here and then add above the pivot a third contract, and I could take one off as soon as I go into profit, and that'll lock in some profit. That might not be a bad idea, Paul. There we go. There we go. Come on down. Break that freaking 89 and run. Let's go. You know you want to. Boom. See, that's how you do it. That was smart. So I went ahead, as soon as I saw it, that wick on that candle, I added in. let it get into profit. Now I took about $15 profit,
There you
$12
go.
profit. So now I got a buffer. Not to mention I'm in a much better position than I was. Now my average entry is around 22.
There you go.
Now I can let it sit. Now I don't care at all.
Well, and you can do that
And it's
over
working
and
out.
over and over.
Never mind.
Yeah. So I just, like I said, I just couldn't help but think that was a stop run.
I just wanted to see it below here. Now that it's below here, kind of wish I wouldn't have took that. That was stupid. I shouldn't have took that target off.
Yeah. Yeah. It's not
Oh
horrible.
well. Look at this, man. It's turning into a good trade now. All right, now I can put it no lose situation here and lock in some. See what it does here. If it holds below this 89, I'll just put it above the 89
Yeah,
somewhere and
this is.
let it go.
This
There it
is.
goes.
Yeah.
Heck yeah, man. Love it. It is so the way to trade. Like stupid easy, man. And again, what was I risking? If I let it go all the way up to VWAP, I was risking $70
Yeah, it's
with
just
one
good 30,
contract.
40 bucks, 80 bucks, 50 bucks.
Yeah, about 80, 70, 80 bucks if I let it go all the way up to VWAP, which probably would never, probably would have done that. But all right, now where's your stop at now?
Um,
I'm just above the 89 on the big tick, but
seven, seven, yeah, right at
the
89.
18,
Yeah, 18.
18 and a half.
Yeah, something like that.
Look at this thing working out. Oh shit, I got to charge my phone.
Decent little trade there. Decent little trade. Um, and it's about to run down again.
Very cool.
Hmm?
I said very cool. Like it.
Very, very cool. All right. So now that we're staying below this level again, if I would have added up here where I wanted to on that other trade, I would be back in profits again. I mean, I had an order up there to add. That run got me scared though. Oh well. All right. Let me get this set up to take the next trade that presents itself. This is a long setup, looks like, but again, golly. I don't know, man. You think about some point here calling it a day soon?
Yeah, I was just about to say that to you, man. I really, really have had a good day, and I know we
We
can
don't want
make
to
it get
screw it
more,
up.
but I just don't want
2
to. I don't want
o'clock.
to. Yeah, I don't, it's 2 o'clock.
Maybe it wouldn't kill me to rest my back for a little bit.
Go rest your back some. I'm sure you probably need to ice it down, don't you?
Yeah, I need to I need to have ice on it. Like,
I mean, it's just you and I, anyways. There's nobody else in here. I don't even think Jim's in here.
no, he's not.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm totally good. Like honestly, I'm really green, and I'm gonna get more and more hesitant as the day goes on, anyways, to take a trade because I just
Same
don't want to
here.
give any of it back.
Here, look, I just moved Jim to the member hangout.
See if he moves himself back.
Yeah.
That was smart. Move him there. Move him out of the room. See if he comes back. Can you kill? Can you get him out of the room?
Hmm?
Is there a way to get him out of the room?
Yeah. Just
Close
right
them
click
out?
on their name and
Remove friend? No.
there's a bunch of options.
I don't remove him. I just want to get him out of the room.
I did. I moved him to the member
Oh.
hangout room. If you right click on a
Timeout. Oh,
name,
I can put him in. I can put him in timeout.
yeah, you can do that. There's a lot of options.
Disconnect. Yeah, look at all that. Now we'll just leave him in the other room.
Yeah.
That's funny.
Well, I mean, his sound
I
was
don't think-
off. He couldn't hear.
Yeah,
anything.
I don't think he's. I don't think he's in there. Yeah, I think he's just.
It had
It's
the
just on.
headphones off. The headphones were muted.
Yeah.
All right. Well, I'm gonna try to. Let me kill the live stream on